Hello students, today we are going to learn first chapter of geography, that is India, size and location. Firstly, the introduction. India has one of the ancient civilization, the Indus Valley civilization, which emerged near the bank of river Indus. India has a vast history. India has good trade relations with its neighboring countries. India has not only exchanged commodities but also views and ideas. Today, from past 5 decades, India has emerged a remarkable development in the field of literature, technology, science, media, industry, etc. Today we are going to learn about the size and location of India. First, coming to the location, the first point is Northern Hemisphere. India lies in the Northern Hemisphere. In the figure 1, we can see that the imaginary line, that is the equator, divides the globe into two equal halves. The above half is called as Northern Hemisphere and the below half is called as Southern Hemisphere. With this, we can come to know that entirely India is located in the Northern Hemisphere, that is here. The position of India on the globe is in Northern Hemisphere. Secondly, the Tropic of Cancer is the line that passes in the center of India and divides India into two equal parts. This Tropic of Cancer measured in 23°30' latitude. Now we have to know first what is latitude and longitude. Latitudes and longitudes are the imaginary lines which are drawn on the globe for the convenient to study the location of any place. The slanting, that is the horizontal lines, are called as latitudes and the vertical lines are called as longitudes. There are 180 latitudes and 360 longitudes. These lines are the imaginary lines drawn to study the location. So the main land of India that extends between latitudes and longitudes. First, 8°4' north and 37°6' north latitudes. India is in the Northern Hemisphere, that's why at this latitude is mentioned in north. So, first 8°4' north latitude to 37°6' north latitude. Secondly, the longitudinal position of India is 68°7' east and 97°25' east longitudes. In the same way how the equator divides the earth into half in north and south, in the same way it also divides the earth into east and west. That's why the position of earth is in the east side. That's why the longitudes are measured in east and the latitudes are measured in north terms. To the southeast of India there is Bay of Bengal, and to the southwest there is Arabian Sea, and below there is Indian Ocean. And in the Bay of Bengal there is an island Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In Arabian Sea there is the island Lakshadweep Islands. Andaman Nicobar Islands, the southernmost tip, that is the Indira Point, is located in Andaman and Nicobar Island, but this tip at present is not present because it has been submerged in 2004 due to a natural disaster tsunami. Again, the next point is the extension of India from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari is 3,214 km, and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh the extent is 2,933 km. With this we come to an end of location. Now we'll start with the size. Coming to the area of India, India covers about 3.28 million square kilometer of area, which is 2.4% of world's total area. India's position is 7th largest among the countries, like first position is of Russia, second Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia, and in the 7th position comes India. So the position of India is at the 7th. The boundary line of India, that is the total area of India, is about 15,700 km, and the coastal line of India, including the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6 km. The Tropic of Cancer, which I said, which passes to the center of India and divides India into two equal halves, passes through 8 states. The names of 8 states are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Now coming to the location of India, to the north we have the young fold mountains called Himalayas, and to the east we have Bay of Bengal, and to the west we have the Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean at the below. The standard meridian of India, that is the time which the whole country shares, is 82.5 degree east latitude, which passes from a place called Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. The time difference between from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh is of 2 hours. In the same way, the whole country's time difference is being decided by the standard time meridian, which is 82 degree 30 minutes east. The Sri Lanka is a neighboring country and there is a narrow channel called Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar, which divides India and Sri Lanka. This is a narrow channel which is separating both the countries. And Maldives is the place which is located below the Lakshadweep. Now coming to the neighboring countries of our country, India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. Before there were 29 states and 7 union territories, but at present there are 28 states and 9 union territories. The new 2 union territories which are formed are Kashmir and Ladakh. The neighboring countries are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Maldives. India occupies a significant position in South Asia. In the northwest we have Pakistan and Afghanistan, in the north we have Nepal, Bhutan, and in the east we have Bangladesh and Myanmar, and in the south Maldives and Sri Lanka. A narrow channel, as already I told, which separates India and Sri Lanka is known as Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar. In the Maldives is to the south of Lakshadweep, and thus India has a strong geographical and historical bonding with its neighboring countries.
Good.